Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm serving all natural face, natural hair, everything natural. Everything natural. Like, I finally am bold enough to come and show you guys what my natural hair looks like. I think it's pretty cute if you ask me. I mean, it is what it is. Anyways, welcome back, you guys. First of all, of course, thanks again for being here. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, of course, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Like this video because you probably will like it anyways. So just get a head start and do that right now. Thank you very much. Alrighty guys, let's get into today's video. Actually, before we do that, please, if anybody has any products that can help me grow my edges or just help me grow my hair faster in general, please recommend that for me in the comment section below, because this hair is taking forever to grow. I miss having hair, I miss having a ponytail, I miss having a bun. So I just want this hair to grow out really quick so I can do all that good stuff that I like doing with my hair again, period. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Boxycharm. If you couldn't tell from the title, and some new products that I just received. Well, I didn't just receive them. I've had them for a while, I just never got to use them. Alright guys, so let's start with Boxycharm. So basically, Boxycharm is like a subscription program but for cosmetics. So you basically pay a certain amount every month and then you receive products. You know, whatever your product preference is, you'd receive that. It could be beauty products, it could be you know, skincare, whatever it is that rocks your boat. Basically, they have everything there on their website. This is not an unboxing. Basically, I'm just gonna use the Boxycharm products to create a look for you guys today. So it's really not an unboxing because honestly, I've already unboxed them. So I'm not gonna pretend that this is an unboxing. It is not an unboxing. All right, so let me I'm just gonna grab the products and then I can show you what the box looks like, and I can tell you a little bit about what I've received so far. So yeah, the box looks like this. You receive this every month. I think it usually comes, I've only gotten 2 so far, so let me not do too much. So yeah, it usually comes like in the first half of the month, I think. And yeah, so for me, I honestly think this is a bargain. If you're somebody that likes makeup or skincare, whatever your vibe is really, and you want to keep getting those every month at a bargain, I honestly would recommend that you subscribe to Boxycharm. So it's basically $30 Canadian every month. That's what I pay. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys a few products that I've received so far. I may be missing a couple of products, but for $30, this is a huge bargain, honestly. So I will put the retail prices for the items somewhere here, just so you know how much they retail for, and I'm paying just $30 to get all these products. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so just to give you guys a little bit of context, I did take a quiz when I subscribed. So you basically take, like, I don't know, I think it's about 3 or 4 pages long, honestly. So they basically ask you what your skin type is, what products you prefer, if you prefer skincare products, if you prefer makeup, eyeshadow, lipsticks, you know, stuff like that. So you basically choose what you would like to have in your box. So as far as products, as far as products, I mostly chose beauty products, and maybe a few of skincare products was what I chose. So you're not going to get everything that your heart desires in this box. I mean, you're paying $30, but you would get, you know, products that are a great bargain as far as I can tell. Okay, so first is this I'm gonna make sure that this is in focus. This is not in focus. I'll probably do another where I put all the products in focus. So basically, this is called a Hot Toddy. It's a hairspray. I don't know if it's for black people hair or for weaves. I'm not quite sure, but this is a hairspray. You're supposed to spray this on your hair before you straighten your hair or curl it or whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, it's like it's for dry hair, not for wet hair. I haven't used this. Maybe I'll use it today when I'm straightening my hair. We'll see what, you know, how that works. But yeah, that's what this one is. And that fell down. So I did get this as well. This is a Lauren Frances shower gel or body wash if you must. This one I've used a couple of times, of course, like, you know, at night when you just want to chill, shower, spray some nice perfume, and just light candles. Guys, so I also received this. It's called the Glodient. That's a nice name actually. It's from Touch and Soul or Touch and Soul. This is a highlighter, I believe. I'm going to show you guys what this one looks like. It's pretty amazing. So this is what this one looks like. It is beautiful if you ask me, honestly. Let me open it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Whew, ciao. This is pretty. It's an highlighter, or you can use it for something else if you want. I'm not sure if it's fully in focus, but I'll try to show you guys. I also received this one here from Cap Cosmetics. It's a beautiful eyeshadow. Let's see what this one looks like on the inside. Hopefully you guys get to see that. Oof, look at the beautiful eyeshadow colors, you guys. I absolutely love this eyeshadow because it has the day and night you know, colors, and you can create whatever look you like with this. For me, like, honestly, this is a steal. If I'm paying $30, even if I only received this one, I would still be fine with it. But I received a bunch of other stuff in the box, so that's pretty great. Anyways, guys, this is my absolute favorite products that I've received so far. This is the OPV Beauty London eyeshadow. You guys, this eyeshadow palette is bomb. Like, I can tell you that for free. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you the colors. The colors are amazing. I can't wait to try them today. So the eyeshadows look like this. I hope you guys can see. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. I can't wait to create looks with this eyeshadow today. I'll show you guys a more close-up view when I'm creating the looks. Alrighty guys, I feel like I owe you guys an explanation as to why I cut to this clip. So I had an incident with my memory card and I lost some footage. I basically had the new Vicabel collection recorded and everything. I showed you guys the brushes, but yeah, something happened with that, so we'll just roll with it. Alrighty, so you guys can watch me do the rest of my makeup while I tell you guys what happened, or tell you guys a little bit about the products as well. Guys, I am genuinely sad that I lost all that footage, guys. Oh my god, there was so much good stuff in there. I showed you guys how soft and fluffy the new Vicabel brushes are. They really are, guys. You need to check them out. If you're in Nigeria, check them out. Even if you're not, still check them out. Their brushes are beautiful, guys. Their brushes work magic. I tell you guys that for free. Anyways, so yeah, I lost all that good stuff and here we are. Alright guys, I'll show you two more products that I received in the box. I think I lost this with my memory card as well. You guys, honestly, I think this Boxycharm is a no-brainer if you ask me. If you're receiving almost $200 plus worth of products every month and you're just paying $30 for it, and that's in Canadian. In US dollars is about $25. So like I honestly think it's a no-brainer. It's definitely a no-brainer if you ask me, guys. Okay guys, you guys know I'm very bad at voiceovers first of all, so voiceovers are not really my thing. I would just let you guys watch the video, see what I'm doing. Maybe in a couple of weeks I'll create another makeup video that will be very detailed from start to finish and all that good stuff. But for today, lots and lots of issues happened. So I'll just let you guys watch this, enjoy, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video, guys. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys love it. For the most part, this look was created with my Boxycharm products and my Vicabel brushes. I probably used one or two other brushes from the previous collection from Vicabel. But yeah, it was mostly Vicabel and Boxycharm. Of course, you don't get foundation and concealers and stuff in your Boxycharm. Well, maybe you do. I stand to be corrected. I'm yet to receive, any of those kind of products. But yeah, the eyeshadow, primer, and all the other good stuff was from my Boxycharm. Honestly, I would recommend Boxycharm if you don't necessarily want to be going back to the store every other month to buy makeup products. Just subscribe to Boxycharm. Like, end of the day, you can always cancel. Just do month to month. That's what I do. If you receive your first 2-3 boxes and you don't like what you're getting, you can always cancel it. But for me, so far I've loved every single thing. Well, maybe not every single thing, but for the most part, I love maybe like 80% of the stuff I receive in the box. So yeah, I would recommend Boxycharm, guys. Thank you again for watching my videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm gonna put my handle on the screen for you. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. I don't really do too much on Snapchat, honestly. But yeah, follow me on Instagram for sure. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe. If you want more videos like this, of course, let me know that in the comment section below. And I'm thinking, am I missing anything else? I'm not sure. I think I've said everything that I want to say in this video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Next video is going to be bomb. Trust me, I promise it's going to be amazing. Yeah, so stay tuned, stick around, subscribe. I love you guys. Kisses. Bye bye.